Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith. Today I'm going to do my mom's cornflake chicken. First, we're going to disjoint a chicken. So we start with the wings. Just take them right off at the joint. And then we move on to the legs. So you want to start by cutting the skin. And then bend the leg backward, and you can see the joint pop out there. And then just cut in along there. And same on the other side. If you want, you can cut the leg off of the thigh. That is also recommended because you're going to serve it in not really huge pieces. You know, everybody can have the chunk they like. So again, you just cut into it, bend it so you get the joint apart. Next step, we need to remove the back from the breast. So you just go, get hold of it here, down along the side here. Now, some people do like to cook the back. It does have meat on it, but I prefer to freeze it and use it for the next time I want chicken stock. So for the breast, you want to split them up. So put your knife point down, just where the breastbone meets the V at the top, sort of thing, just below that, where it's actual bone and not cartilage. And then just bang the handle with your hand, and then press down. And then you can finish the cut on the wishbone there and slice it all the way through. You may not get it even, that's okay. So if you want to trim up the ribs a little bit, just go ahead and, as long as your knife is sharp enough, you can just whack them off like that. Now, if you want, you can cut the breasts in half because they're rather large pieces. And if you're trying to feed children or a large family, or if it's just for like more of a lunch, or you have a lot of side dishes and you don't think you need a huge piece of meat, then definitely cut them in half. All right, we're back. We have our cornflake mixture. Haven't mixed it all up yet. So you can see there, we have 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning, teaspoon of sage, teaspoon of basil, tablespoon of oregano, tablespoon, or probably a little less than a tablespoon of seasoned salt, maybe just 2 teaspoons, and a tablespoon of parsley flakes. And we're going to mix that into 2 cups of crushed plain cornflakes. And you want to do it in a good heavy duty bag. So this is a freezer bag, because if you're going to crush them in the bag, they're going to put a hole in it if you're using a thin bag. So just seal that up and give it a good shake. Before we put our chicken in the bag, we are going to oil it. That way the cornflake will stick. Just going to oil all our chicken right on the board here. Just pull them out and lay them on the pan. If there are any spots that didn't get covered, just pat some on there. some room for the wings here. I'm a little crowded. Generally, I don't bother to do the wings, but sometimes they're a good snack, and some people do really like chicken wings. There we go. Everything ready for the oven. This is my mother's cornflake oven-baked chicken. We always fight over the bits left in the pan, of course. It comes out juicy, tender, and crunchy on the outside. The best oven-baked chicken I've ever had. Of course, you can play with the seasonings and change it up to whatever you like. But it's my favorite as it is. I hope you liked the video. I hope you try the recipe. Please give it a like, make a comment, and subscribe.